Yeah, he's coming. Is this thing on? You know, we've been preparing in the war room for a couple months for this. We've been looking at the tactics, looking at the whiteboard, and really trying to like map out the strategy that's gonna best give us the elevation in the first quarter of that flip. Hold on, I think the microphone's acting out. There we go, it's technical issues. We haven't trained legs in 4 years. So that's one of our best tactics as a team.
Tommy, have you ever done a backflip before?
That's a great question. The answer would be no. It's gonna be a new territory, but just like Travis Pastrana landed the 720 in the X Games in 2013, I think we're gonna be making some history tonight. So, Jay, how are you feeling about the upcoming task of doing a backflip? Do you feel ready?
Tommy, I'm glad you asked. I've been dreaming about this day since I was a kid. I've been training. I played professional volleyball, had a 40-inch vertical. I've been doing a lot of practice on trampolines and off of the edge of boats for many, many years, having not worked out my legs for 5 years. I'm a little worried, but still confident. I think by the end of the day, I will have at least not broken my neck, but I'm not 100% confident that I won't break my neck. That's probably gonna happen.
Balls for you, we need a full tutorial on backflip. Check that out. Check the link in the description below. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe right now because I have more 5 minutes.
So if you don't follow our Instagram stories, you'll know that we just missed our train and we just ran an entire mile to this gym with like $4,000 worth of electronics in this bag. But you know what? It was a hell of a warm-up. We're about to go crush some backflips.
Listen, so what we were really doing is, this is actually part of the strategy. We're supposed to do some weighted warm-ups to make sure like the muscles are fully activated. The good news is I think we're feeling pretty good. And we are now at 5-star.
We're here for the backflips. Freaking out. We're freaking out. And the doors are locked.
And the doors are locked.
There you go. Hello, good evening.
Hi, can we sign up for the backflips, please?
Do you have a backflips course that we're
Do you have backflips a la carte, or is it more like a menu item?
Hey, so Tommy's here. I just took his camera. We're just gonna do something really funny. So.
I do a lot of vlogging, so that the 6,500
Woo!
the 65. My God!
Good to see you again.
I knew there was something nice in the air.
How you doing?
I'm ready for the backflips. I don't know about you, but
I'm ready.
I'm feeling good. I don't have that range of flexibility, but I like the attitude.
You see the sweat dripping? Like this is the hardest thing that I've done so far. We just ran a mile with $4,000 worth of electronics, and now I have to do this.
Confirm, let's go. Okay, we finally made it. We're doing gymnastics. I'm gonna give you a little preview.
Okay, so we're just gonna teach you the technique for the back. So keep together. So if you try to jump like this, energy!
A series of events that just went down.
Yeah! Not bad. Arms up. Arms, keep your arms up. When you guys land, you're gonna go toe heel.
Why have to know heel shift?
Forward jump, straight up. It's just so you don't land flat. Your shins are gonna come up over your head, and it's gonna be like a lower ebb and driving your shins over your chest. Yeah. Okay, do like 2 more. Yeah. That's the scariest thing. It's just swinging and committing. Yeah, those are good.
These are life.
If I do a flip right now, and I look at you, yo, when I look at you,
That was just crazy. Wow.
Right?
The eye contact was like.
I'm getting coordinated.
Start by backflipping.
start with arms up. Yeah.
All right, so guys, this is a little first run for Jay Feldman. The doc is in.
Ready, Jay? Feet together.
Feet together.
Here, do you want to just swing into the pit once so you can feel like that you're safe?
Just like back.
So just go like, just to know what it feels like to feel. Oh.
Pure joy.
That was close.
Pure joy that man.
That was close. As if you were doing the backflip without. Yeah, that was pretty good.
You jump back.
Alright, you guys are gonna be just fine.
How do you not jump backwards?
You feel safe?
Yeah.
So don't freak out midair. You're just gonna commit to the flip. You're gonna do a big jump. You're gonna drive your shins over your head. You're gonna do it.
I didn't know this existed. This is great.
This is great. On you. Just swing and jump, and we're gonna jump. And you're gonna be fine. You're landing in a big, big
Ceiling, right?
Start standing normal.
I was trying
Yeah,
to
and then
keep
just
on.
swing and jump. That was good. You did it. Amazing.
Alright, knees coming straight up. Here we go.
Shins over your head.
Alright, get better than that.
They ask you how you are, and you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Come on. Try again. We're gonna be heavy spotters. Whatever you're comfortable. Yeah, that was it.
You're right about the committing thing.
Yeah, you just gotta commit.
Committing is harder. I feel like every millennial relationship can be fixed in here. You just gotta commit.
That's what I'm saying. That's why I love gymnastics, because it helps you build relationships, because you can learn to trust yourself. You learn to trust partners and partners. It's amazing. You're not gonna land on your knees. Don't think that.
Yeah, commit.
Chill.
Plan C.
Yeah, there you go. Yo!
You literally had a foot like a real landing.
Yeah, so here we go.
So down. The circle tip's a really good one.
Yeah, don't go up and then to your knees.
When I'm in the air, I don't know what these are.
So do it right now.
That was so much better.
You gotta use your arms. Nope. You brought them right down. Yes! Yeah! That was good.
You got a beat, for sure.
Yes! Better! So much better.
Yeah.
Chest up at the end.
Time for Drew, and it looks as if.
Yes, try to like get more down. I missed it. I'm so sorry. I was looking at his leg. Yeah,
Reps.
Not bad.
Okay.
You're kind of.
Harder on the crunch.
You're cutting your arms short. Yeah, you're cutting your arms short. So like that. Yes.
Yes.
So use your arms to help your flip.
You believe.
Better.
Yeah, that's good.
You're opening up too early. Yeah. Yes. Don't.
Yeah, you gotta put your hands under the knees, yeah. Yo!
So high.
That was so high.
Was it?
It was so high.
Made a little adjustment.
So he's like
It's all about the little adjustments.
rolling.
See, that was already. Yes! And just lean and go.
Oh, you let go of the hands. You had it.
I know.
You had it.
Yes! Yes!
Let's go, baby. Let's go.
All right, here we go. Dr. J. Feldman.
Chill. Take a breath. You're working too hard.
Thank you. I need that.
Yeah, you're good. You're good. Everything's all right.
Warm him up. He's feeling good. Get the Theragun.
Who needs it?
Okay.
Britt is the Theragun.
I am a third.
I am the Theragun.
Look at time. One.
They're gonna see.
Jay, how are you feeling? So we did some flips today?
We did.
How'd you do?
I almost broke my wrist, and I think I almost broke my ankle, but...
Okay, well, you know what? It's all part of like the rebuilding process. You know,
It is.
You gotta break it down before you can build it back up.
My neck's okay for now, hopefully. I'm gonna wake up tomorrow and everything's just gonna be...
Okay, game time
mobility.
interview, how'd we do?
You guys did really well for your first time.
Funness, attitude, who are the cotton crazy factor?
Cotton Candy Crazy Clouds.
Factor.
Cotton Candy Crazy Factor.
Okay.
Alright, well, you both walked in here kind of ready to learn. And you both learned. That's all I have to say. You guys just gotta need to work on mobility and just like using those muscles and like the weird stability balance muscles.
I have no mobility.
So like things like this.
So this is what she means by mobility, right? Like that, right there. Yeah.
We need to work on that.
We need to work on that. So Che, you gotta do that.